Good morning and welcome to a coffee vlog. Today I'm going to make a frozen cappuccino or coffee frappuccino, just like this, or coffee frappe. I'll show you in a bit more detail. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. So if you enjoy getting these from your local coffee shop and you want to make them at home, then watch this video. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get on with it and make our coffee frappuccino. And today's kit list for you, here we go. We're going to need some ice, some whole milk, you need a coffee shot. I've already prepared this one. If you want to see how to make the perfect espresso, then just hop onto my double espresso video, I can show you that. You need some frappe powder, easily picked up on Amazon. I just got a vanilla one, but you can get all sorts of different flavours. Vanilla seems to go into any frappe really well. I'm going to put some pumpkin spice in this one. I tend to find a little bit of sugar syrup really helps, so maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit of vanilla, maybe a little bit of caramel, cane sugar, gum, anything like that. Okay, that's it. Really simple. The only thing that you're going to need as well as this is your blender. We are ready to rock with this, so let's get it done. Ice goes in first. You can see by the size of the ice I've not got anything too big or too small. I'll see if I can just lift one out. I don't normally touch customers' ice. They're about that big. That seems to work really well in this blender. We're going to need milk, so we're going to get our glass again, and I would say just under half. That will do. Straight in. Frappe powder. Straight in. There's around about a heaped dessert spoon of frappe powder in that one. And our coffee shot. And then we're going to add the pumpkin spice straight in. We'll put 3 pumps of that in. Not forgetting the lid, unless you like to wear it. And then we're going to start this off on a number 1 setting, just so that it starts to chop up all those bits of ice. Let me move some of this so you can see. There we go. Done to me and ready to go. Going straight in for the pour. Leaving enough space for the cream on top. Going for the cream now as well. Here we go. I'm starting on the outside. Ooh. There we go. Now one thing I think all cappuccinos are best with, they're going to put a bit of chocolate dusting powder on top, just to add a bit of glamour. Then straight in with the straw. There we go. Perfect. And no video is complete without the grand tour. Here we go. All the way around. Bring it down. There. Beautiful. 1 frappuccino. Coffee frappuccino. Frozen coffee, frozen cappuccino, or frappe, depending on which shop you normally go to. Really easy, really fast to make, and just as tasty. I am going straight in for the taste test. Oh, that's so good. I'm so glad I put the pumpkin spice in there. I love these frozen cappuccinos. I love the coffee frappe, but I really do enjoy a little bit of syrup in it. And the reason for that is just to take any harshness away from the coffee, and just to sweeten a little bit. Makes it that little bit nicer for me. But you can do whatever you like. You can add syrup, or you can not add syrup. You can use whole milk like I did, or you can use an alternative milk as well, which just works perfectly the same. Same amount of ice, same amount of liquid, same amount of time in the blender. Give it a go and let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got something from the video. I hope that you saw how to make this so easily at home. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Give us a like if you like the video. Leave us a comment if you want me to have a look and see what you've got to say about it. Or subscribe and see some more. Thank you. See you again soon.